Hey guys, welcome back to Prodigy Gym and Fitness with our free fitness coaching app. Today we're going to talk about your barbell shrug. Again, I'm going to show you guys the wrong way to do it. You're going to see a lot of people rolling their shoulders. Do not do that. You will hurt yourself. Okay, so again, you see these people doing this roll. It's extremely hard on your rotator cuff and all kinds of other things. So again, you want your chest forward, a nice arc in your back. We're driving our shoulders up to our ears, very slow and controlled. So as you can see, I'm not rotating my shoulder forward and backward. It's remaining positioned. I do recommend you try with your chin down and your chin up. I've noticed that it works the muscle in a little bit different way. Again, you saw me speed up my rep speed a little bit. That's okay. You see I'm not jerking. It just really comes down to your own preference. So again, that is your barbell shrug. As always, guys, we really want to see everybody succeed here at Prodigy Gym and Fitness. So make sure if you need anything at all, how to do something, how to stretch, it doesn't matter. You come and ask me or any of my staff. We want to see you succeed. Thank you.